everyone! In this video I will show you how to use Live Animation Creator, which is one of the latest Roblox features. It lets us generate realistic full body animations by importing videos. It tracks the body movements and creates keyframes for us to apply to our rigs. It is super easy to use and lots of fun, guys, as you can see. Before beginning, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to help out the channel for more game development videos. Let's begin. First, I'll show you how to set it up, then at the end of the video I'll show you some examples. It is really impressive, but of course it has its limitations, such as not being able to handle dramatic body orientation changes like a head spin. I'll show you later in the video. Alright, I have a new empty project here that is saved to Roblox. Live Animation Creator is currently a beta feature, so we should click File, Beta Features, Enable Live Animation Creator and Save. It tells me to restart Studio, so I'll do as it says. Studio has restarted. Live Animation Creator is actually a feature under the Animation Editor plugin. And Animation Editor requires a rig to create an animation. Hence, I need a rig. I click Plugins, select Build Rig. I'll go with R15 Man. It looks like this. Now I want to create an animation. I'll hit Animation Editor plugin. Under Workspace, I click on Dummy, then go to the Animation Editor window wherever it appears. Give a name to the animation. Let's call it Dance. Hit Create. Now I want to use Live Animation Creator. So I click on these three dots, go to Import and select Live Animation Creator. Here it talks about some requirements for the video. We need a short video that is under 15 seconds. For best results, the video should contain a single person, the person should be fully in the frame, and the camera should not move during the shooting. Now I'll choose a video. I select a kind of a breakdance video, which is a stock video really. Now it will process the video and create the animation from it. It takes a few minutes. It is finished now. Let's play the animation. There we go, the character is dancing. It is this easy. Let's check the animation's priority from Set Animation Priority here. It says Action, which is good for when we have multiple animations. Since this is a special animation, it should have a higher priority like Action. When it has a higher priority, if we start, say, the idle animation and the dancing animation at the same time, the dancing animation would be played due to its higher priority. We can have 7 values for priority like you see here, and actions are the highest. We also want the animation looped, and it is looped already. Let me expand the dummy here to show you. If I save the animation, it appears under Anim Saves here with the name Imported Animation. To be able to use its ID, I need to publish it to Roblox. I'm gonna name it Dance Animation and submit. I'm gonna copy this ID and close this screen. Now I want a script to control the animation. I want this script to be added to every character in the game automatically. So I go to Starter Player and under Starter Character Scripts, I add a local script. Let's rename it to Dance Animation. Here I'm gonna paste the ID for the animation first to use it in a few minutes. Now I want to access the animator. We can do it by accessing the character, then humanoid, then animator. I go local character is equal to script.parent. Since we added the script under the starter character scripts, it will be added to every character in the game. So its parent will be the character. Now I want access to the humanoid. We can get it from character colon, wait for child, humanoid. And I need a reference to the animator as well. So local animator is equal to humanoid colon, wait for child, animator. Since we are creating a local script, we are using wait for child to ensure that items are fully loaded before trying to access them. Now I want to set the animation. We'll create a local dance animation variable. It will be an animation instance. So instance.new animation. To specify the animation, we'll use the ID here. So dance animation.animation ID equals to rbx asset ID colon // This is the standard syntax to set asset IDs, and copy and paste this ID. Furthermore, I need to create an animation track to play the animation. Local dance animation track is equal to animator colon load animation, and inside I'll use dance animation. So we'll play that animation, but I want to control it with an input from the user. For this, we can use the user input service. It lets us detect and use different types of user inputs. So I'll go local user input service is equal to game colon get service user input service. Here I'll use that service and get input began. It is an event that is fired when a user begins interacting with an input device. And I'll connect to that with a function called onInputBegan. This onInputBegan function will be called when the inputBegan event is fired. I'm gonna create that function here. Local function. The inputBegan event has two parameters, input and game processed. We can use these as parameters of our function here. They will be filled in automatically when the inputBegan event is fired. If it is game processed, meaning it is an internal input which is handled by the engine itself, so I don't need to do anything, return end. If input user input type is equal to enum.userinputtype.keyboard, then I'll check the key code. If input.keycode is equal to enum.keycode, I'm gonna use M for triggering the animation. Here, if the animation track isn't playing, I want to play it. So if not dance animation track that is playing, I'm gonna play it. So dance animation track colon play. If the user presses the M key while the animation is playing, I want the animation to stop. So here, instead of end, I'll use else, which means that the track is playing. Then I'll go dance animation track colon stop to stop the animation. So this is how we toggle the animation on and off using the M key on the keyboard. Now we can go ahead and delete the dummy here because we will apply the animation to all players with this script. Let's hit play and see if it is working. Here we can see our character, it is moving around, and if I press the M key, you can see that it starts dancing. She has moves. Isn't this cool? I can also stop the party with the same key and start again. Let me show you a few other clips as well. This one is from another breakdance video. Looks great! Let's see this one. This reference video doesn't include the full body as you probably noticed, hence the character's feet seem to be flying a little. There is some camera movement in the video as well. The plugin still does a pretty decent job though for the rest of the body. We can apply other action or gesture animations like playing basketball, dabbing, clapping, and blowing kiss. Cute! Now let's see a few cringy examples. This video includes more extreme breakdance moves, and it struggles to represent the upside down body orientation. My take on how this plugin works is that it could have been trained with a dataset using machine learning, and the training set probably didn't include extreme videos like this. Hence, it struggles to create the corresponding keyframes, resulting in these cringy poses. But I don't know how the plugin actually works, this is just my educated guess. Here we have a karate split. Here is another breakdance example. Oh no! It is hard to watch. Here is another video. In this one, the person is wearing a long sleeve jacket of a single color, which may make it harder to distinguish the arm movements. And one arm gets occluded by the torso, which is again a challenge point. The character is trying hard though, A for effort. Enough with the challenging videos for the plugin, let's end on a high note with our Snoop Dogg clip, which is just amazing. Let me know which clip you like the most in the comments. So this is how you can use the live animation creator in Roblox Studio. With it, you can easily apply advanced animations to your game characters. Now go ahead and create your own animation clips using the plugin. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe to support the channel for more videos. If you want a new game development tutorial, let me know in the comments. You can get access to the Roblox project file from Patreon. The link is in the description. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.